my fellow witches, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new box to unbox, the July Mystery Box Pot of Gold from Heka Arcane Apotheca. They only make a limited number of these boxes each month and they do sell quickly, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out. Also, just letting you know, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this myself and all opinions are my own. So on to the unboxing. So this box comes inside a blank mailing box, and the first thing I saw was this lovely little card from the creator just thanking me for my purchase. I love wax seals, I think they're awesome, and a really nice little personal touch. So into the box, get it open. Pot of Gold. So this is obviously the information pamphlet of what's inside. Leave that there in case I need to refer to anything. Oop, ripping everything. So we have some money rice for prosperity and abundance. So I can see some dill, some yellow and green rice, and obviously some green glitter. That's cool. We have a spray, shining success. It sounds like it's got some gemstones or some metal in there. It's got a very citrus smell to it. It smells quite pretty. We have some Sugar Daddy Prosperity Sugar. We have a ritual smudge, and I can see lavender roses in there. It smells gorgeous. We have some oil. Oh, it's golden oil. So you can see there's glitter in there. And some kind of herb. We have a package. Could be a candle. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. Got a beautifully dressed candle. It's lovely. It smells a bit citrusy as well. That's gorgeous. Oh. We've got some chocolate money, which right up my alley. I love me some chocolate. Ooh. And we've got all these packing peanuts. Just get rid of some of them. We have a sealed jar. Are we supposed to open that? I'm not sure. I'll have a look first. We've got something that belongs to maybe this scroll. So this is the Goddess Ritual. So it's a 7-day ritual by the looks. Alright, so this must be the translation for Prosperity Wealth Sigil card. and we have some, looks like some tarot cards, I'd say all relating to wealth and probably to do with the ritual. So we've got Pentacles, the Sun, Cups, some more Pentacles, the Wands, oh, more chocolate. So these are, so this is the spells for prosperity. So how to make a money bowl, prosperity altar, money charm spell, glass of gold. And I think that's the last thing in the box is this lovely print. And it's got gold foiling on it. I don't know if that's showing on the camera. So it's just a laminated foil. So I'm going to use the pamphlet and list everything that was in the box so that I've got it right for you. So we have the golden money candle, which has lots of glitter on it. We have the golden oil. We have, this is a pot of gold jar, and inside is some herbs, and it looks like some money. It must be so you can perform one of the spells that's in that little spell book. We have the ritual scroll. We have the altar drawing, and I think it's pronounced abundantia or something like that. I'm not very good with pronunciation. We have the fully loaded money rice, the smudge, the ritual smudge, the sugar daddy prosperity sugar. This is a prosperity wallet charm, so you put that in your wallet obviously. We have the Shining Success Aura Mist, the Pot of Gold spell booklet with the tarot cards that go with that in there. They also send you an email with video links on how to perform the different rituals that they speak about for those who sort of need that kind of instruction rather than just reading from a ritual scroll, which I think is a nice touch. And it seems to be that the yummy money chocolate is just a nice little thank you gift for purchasing. So that's everything in the July Mystery Box Pot of Gold from Heka Arcane Apotheca. I'd have to say my favourite item in this box is a tie between the money spell jar and the ritual candle. I love ritual candles. I think they look awesome. So which one's your favourite? And let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. If so, please like and subscribe. And merry part and merry meet again.